So I don't know if people actually know ukuthi Uzuma is the only president that was elected by the people. So what happened was, in challenge backstory, he was appointed by Thabo Mbeki to be deputy president in 1997, but he was then also recused, wakishwa, well, kuleo position by the same Thabo Mbeki, and then the ANC elected him through voting ukuthi abuyele ayoba deputy president, and they then voted 40 in his favor to become president. So he's technically the only president that was elected to be a president by the people. Ramaphosa, I can't say much because we all know what he billion lawa spend ukuthi kuma conference yeah, all that. I don't want to talk about that, but within the ANC and in fact in the country, Jacob Zuma is the only president that was elected by the people post 1994. And then what I also wanted to tell you guys, ukuthi lento yokulokasi debate ngokuthi uZuma uyi-puppet or not, it just doesn't stick. uZuma kusukela ngo-1990 there was, because he came back from exile ngo-1990, so nalento involve kuyo ama negotiations wayengekho even in the country when there were negotiations eCodesa, ama negotiations lawa our sunset clauses nazo zonke lezo zinto. He wasn't even there. He only came back in 1990, and when he came back, already the white capital sent out an order ukuthi uZuma kumele by all means igama lakhe lithanishwe, so that whatever he says is not credible, because he had been the head of intelligence even from Lusaka, where yonke information was compiled, and he knew pretty much everything about everyone. So he knew all the dirty moves and the dirty tricks by the West and the Afrikaners. So that's when they started being against him. Gubonagala, they even tried to poison him, I think in 1993 if I'm not mistaken, and now in 1994. So now you wonder ukuthi if uZuma was really working with the West, bamqala ngalezo ikhathi from 1990 ebuyela kwe-country all the way to when he got nominated, not nominated, when he got elected as deputy president, bamluyisa nakhona. And even when he was supposed to be president, there's never a single time like zoba khona elections and uZuma was contesting where they didn't bring up ama case akhe nakhona, false cases that were already ruled ukuthi lawa ama case lawa awekho legit, lawa ama case because of the NPA's head being involved in trying to tarnish Zuma's name and trying to time perfectly ukuthi lento le abayiraise when ama elections are coming up. He still won though ama elections even against zonke lezo zinto lezo, because the people had voted for him. And then when are you gonna tell me ukuthi this entire time kuliwa no Jacob Zuma, one and only one man, of which njalo the NPA, the very same National Prosecuting Authority that failed ukuthi bevula icala against Ramaphosa, and they said rather they will not persecute anyone, not Ramaphosa and not the person who stole iloguzan imali yakho Ramaphosa le bisteshwe ngaphansi go sofa or bed or whatever it is. So now the very same NPA is the same one eyavusa amacala kaZuma amadala when he was contesting for president, simply because they didn't want him to be the president. And when are you gonna come here and tell me today that that very same man who the entire system has been against is a puppet of the West? If he is, if that's what happens to puppets of the West, then why is it not happening to the real puppets of the West, Siyaz Song or Ramaphosa? It just doesn't stick. So whenever you come to me with a conversation, no me argument, you can't trust Jacob Zuma, Zuma sold the country to Amagupta, Zuma did this and that. Those are all things that you say when you are an actual politician on television trying to contest against Zuma for a particular position or a particular narrative. But when you're a real South African, or ozaziyo wena ukuthi usukaphi, you don't say those things because you know with lezo zinto fabricated. The one thing you can say about Zuma is that he himself as the president, or as Jacob Zuma, wena mhlambe awumthandanga as a person, and then ke singazwakala ke leyo case leyo sesingaxoxa ke mina nawe ukuthi sikhulume ngakho ukuthi kanti why ungamthandi kangaka and so forth. But mawuthi uzoraise la lezinto lezi eyishiwo yiwo wonke umuntu nje just to create some sort of narrative against the man, udlala ngesikhathi. This is our president, the only one we elected.